Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe. If you're a rebel, then you already know what to do. Like and share. Leave a comment down below, because if you don't comment, then I don't know you're here. So as y'all can tell, it is pretty late at night. It is 9:37 on Friday. We don't have any kids tonight, so we are going to go ahead and start prepping the room to paint, because we are doing house to home makeovers on our channel until our complete house has been remodeled and up to date to the way we like it. If you want to know what this room looked like before now, because I've pulled everything pretty much off the walls, then you need to go and watch my last video, which is the running around, where I go to, like, where did I go? At Home, Hobby Lobby, and a couple other places. But if you want to see what the room looked like before, then you need to go and watch that video. So what we're gonna do now is Brandon and I are gonna start painting. We've picked the color. It's Sherwin Williams Repose Grey. So yeah, if you guys want to see how we're about to transform our room, then just stay tuned.
So 1 can of paint, for anyone who needs to know. Paints 2 walls. We've painted other parts of our house before, but I realized, Rita helped me realize we've only done accent walls. Because I was like, why is there not enough paint? But we've only painted 1 wall in the kids' rooms, not the whole room.
That's why we got a bunch of green paint
Yeah.
in the garage, pink paint, brown paint, blue
But
paint.
the paint looks good, as you can see. We still have to do this wall and that wall. And I don't know what we're doing to the roof. I'm talking, so you the cameraman.
Okay.
Stand in front of the camera and move it.
I don't know.
Don't worry about it, I do it.
I don't know how this works. Let me see. Hold
No,
on. Let me see.
You gotta move it. Okay.
Shut up. Let me see.
Is that mic on?
Yeah. All right. So you hold on.
She tangled. oh Lord.
Hold on, guys.
Somebody's only one Spike Lee.
All right. Okay. So boom.
Before the shot.
That wall. Can you turn the thing towards there? Okay, that wall is done, and then let me show y'all the difference. Okay, wait, hold on. All right, so look in the corner. Gray, ugly, gray, ugly. That TV nasty. Don't worry, it's gonna get clean. But yeah, we still gotta do this wall.
We're walking, we're turning.
And this wall that's patchy. Okay.
Turn that way. We tangle. Go that way.
Gray, ugly, gray, ugly. Okay. There. See? And I put you right back tangled like you was. Look at y'all.
But we're gonna get another can of paint tomorrow, finish up the room, and show you what it looks like. We're going to bed. I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. It's way past Rita bedtime.
I can stay up when I got projects to do.
No. No, you're messing up your wall.
I need to get this.
Go stand over there. This needs some attention. Are you gonna almost throw it in that paint bucket?
No, I fucking do.
Stand on that side so you can see the wall.
Yeah, the center.
So stop trying to steal my ladder and do something in your arms reach.
I'm not big enough.
You big enough for the center.
Okay, y'all, so day 2. We finished painting our entire room. We painted all the walls, the ceiling, the door, the baseboards, and everything. So we got everything completely painted. We moved the bed back into the room, the dresser, the nightstands, and we started adding some accessories and some different little pieces to the room just to kind of make it more homey. This is our new color, which I love because it makes the room look so much bigger and so much brighter. So that's it for today. There will be a part 2 to this room makeover, just because we're waiting for a couple other pieces to come in. And so once we get all the pieces, of course, we'll put everything together and we'll show you guys. But I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all like our color. This is, I can't say the name, baby. Sherwin Williams Repose Grey. That's what this color is. And we got to add lows. It took 2 cans of the paint to completely paint our room. Anyway, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you comment, let me know what you think, and then I hope to see y'all in the next video for part 2 of our master bedroom makeover.